Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a project on the water cycle. And on the way, I will explain the four main processes of the water cycle. There are four main parts to the water cycle: evaporation, convection, precipitation, and collection. Let's discuss these processes in detail. Evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes and the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air. Convection in the water cycle is when the air near the surface is heated, then rises, taking heat with it. Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into a liquid, forming clouds. This is called condensation. Precipitation. The process of precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. Collection or storage. Most of the earth's water does not take part in the water cycle very often. Much of it is stored. The earth stores water in a number of places. The ocean is the largest storage of water. Around 96% of the Earth's water is stored in the ocean. We can't drink the salty ocean water, so fortunately for us, fresh water is also stored in lakes, glaciers, snow caps, rivers, and below the ground in groundwater storage.